Hello everyone, welcome to Pavani Teachers. Today we are discussing Crypt Arithmetic Problem in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. This is a type of encryption problem. First they'll give plain text. This plain text should be converted into non-readable text like cipher text. To solve this, we'll have variables, domains and constraints. While solving this, we have to follow all the constraints that are given. First, we'll read all the constraints, what are there. A number 0 to 9 is assigned to particular alphabet. Okay, that means only any number can be assigned to the letter or alphabet given here. Next, each alphabet has unique number. That means each alphabet should have only one value to be assigned. The number should satisfy all the operations that normal number does. That means if suppose we add 8 and 7 will get value as 15. The same here, while assigning the values to the letters, it should follow the same. We'll solve. While solving, first you should start from larger number. Here there is a carry. That means if there is carry, first you have to check the domain values. As the domain values are under 9, the carry is always equal to 1. So directly you have to give value to the m as 1. Here also the same. Now you got one. You have to write the equation, that is as s plus, here you have to add s plus 1 equal to o. That means what value you should add to get carry of 1 to the next number. From the given domain numbers, we have only one option, that is 9. Only by adding 9 with 1, we will get carry of 1. That means 1 plus 1 equal to 10. So as we are getting carry, we are writing it here and we have to write this 0 to the o. So we got the value of o here and also the value of s as 9. Okay, s is as 9 and o is as 0. Now you have another value, another equation to solve. E plus 0 equal to n. That means if it is 0, then e equal to n, it will get e equal to n, which is wrong, because only single value should be assigned to the single variable. It must be there of some carry. That equation can be written as e plus carry of 1 equal to n. Okay, this is the equation. Now you have to write the equation to this, n plus r equal to e. Okay, now again you have to start from the largest number. If suppose we take e value as 7, then value of n will become 8. The same values you have to write here, 7 and 8. What value you should add to get value of 7? If suppose I add 6, you will get 14, which is not equal to 7. So you cannot take 6. Okay, again I will take 5 as r. If 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, which is also not equal to 7. So you can't take 5 and 6 also. If I take 4, it will get 12, which is not equal to 7. Like that, it all is not possible. Like this, by checking each and every number, it is not possible to get 7. Okay, we have to check another option, that is as there is possibility of carry. If there is possibility of carry, okay, that means we have to change this equation, that is as n plus r plus 1 equal to e. Okay, as value of e is 7, I am writing here. Now again I will take value of r. As 7 and 8 and 9 are already taken, now we have to take with 6. 8 plus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 15, which is not equal to 7. You can't equate to the 7. So as these numbers are lesser than 6, the sum of all these numbers will come lesser than 16. The values of this 7 and 8, that means value to the e and n is not correct. So you have to change the values of e and n. Now you have to consider with the same equations. You have to take the same equations. You have to take the same equations that we get before. Okay. Now you have to try to change the values of this e and n. Now I am taking value of e as 6. So automatically the value of n will become 7. Okay. Now we'll try to consider the value of r. As we are now taking 6 and 7, now I'll go with 8 for the r. That means 7 plus 8 plus 1 equal to 6. That means the total is 16. So this 6 and 6 is equal. So we can go with the values of val to the e is equal to 6 and n is equal to 7. So I am writing here 6, 0, 7 and here 7. Okay, and here it is 6. So what value we are adding to get equal to 6? We are adding 8. That means value of r is 8. So I am writing here 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Now as we are getting 16, as before we are writing the carry here 1 and 6. Okay, this is up to here it is okay. Now we got new equation, that is as d plus e equal to y. The value of e already we have known. Okay, that is 6. Okay, now what value we have to add to the e of d to get value of y? Now we'll try to take these values. Okay, don't forget in the before step we have carried. That means it has to be something 1 comma and something. Okay, now as value of e is 6, what are the possible values to get d, which gives the carry of 1? Now we'll try to check. We'll take the 5. Okay, that means value of d is 5. 5 plus 6 equal to y. That means 11. Yes, we are getting carry of 1 and also the value at index part is 1 is free. Yes, it is free. So now we can take the value of d as 5 and as before value of e is 6. Okay, and the y value will become 1. Now we got all the numbers. D is as 5 and y is 1. Now you have to cross check the values whether you got correct answer or not. That means you have to write all the values. Here s means 9, e means 6, n means 7, d means 5, m means 1, o means 0, r means 8, e means 6. Now you have to add all these numbers. 1, 1, 6, 1, 7, 0, 1 carry 1. Okay, does we got the same? 1 is as 1 is as m, 0 as o, 7 is as n, 6 is as e and 1 is as y. This is the final non-readable text. Okay, for each and every variable. This is how you have to solve crypt arithmetic problem. Now I'll tell another problem. Okay. This is the second question. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. The same you have to do. Here you have to change the variable names. That is as T, W, O, F, U, R. Okay. Again, there is a carry. That means you have to take directly F is as 1. Okay. F is as 1. Done. You are done with 1. Next, T plus T equal to O. T plus T equal to O. That means you have to start from the large numbers. Now you have to take T as 9. 9 plus 9 equal to O. That means 18 equal to O. As we are carrying 1 to the next number, we are exceeding this 1. Now this 8 will equal to the 0. Okay. The value of T is equal to 9 and the value of 0, value of O will be equal to 8. Now you have to write these values. T is as 9 and O is as 8, F is as 1. Okay. We got these numbers. Now you have to go with the next one. Now we have to write the new equation, that is as W plus 1 equal to U. Okay. You have to check what are the possibilities to solve this equation. Also you have to keep in the mind that you haven't carry forward any value to the previous equation. That means the sum of these values should be less than or equal to 9. It is shouldn't equal to the 9 and 8 also, because you have already taken value of 9 to the T and value of 8 to the 0. So to the O. So this value should be less than or equal to the 7. So to get U, directly I am taking U as 7. So if we 2W equal to 6. So directly we can take value of W as 3. Okay. We got the value of W and U also. Now you have to solve, directly get this. 8 plus 8 equal to 16. Okay, here 1 is carry forward in the previous equation, so the left is 6, so you can write value of R is 6. Okay, this is how you have to solve any crypt arithmetic problem. So again, now I'll try to check whether we got the correct values or not. Okay. ST value is 9 and W value is 3 and O value is 8. Again 9, 3, 8. Now I'll add all this. 1, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay. S1 is F and 8 is S0. Sorry, O. 7 is U and 6 is, we got the correct value. So these are the values to the variables. Okay, this is how you have to solve. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for further content.